Hello and welcome to our video on how to make money online. In this video, we will explore some of the ways you can make money online from freelancing to create your own business. Watch full video, don't skip any part and subscribe our channel. One of the best ways to make money online is by offering your skills and services as a freelancer. You can offer services like writing, graphic designing, social media management and more through like website, Upwork, Freelancer. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services on your websites or social media platforms and earn a commission on each sale. Online surveys. You can also make money by completing online surveys. Creating and selling products. You can create and sell your own products such as ebooks, courses, physical products through platforms like Amazon. Many companies pay people to take surveys and to provide feedback on the products or services. YouTube monetization. If you have a YouTube channel, you can make money through monetization. Follow us on social media.